What's up guys, Mr. Fox here. In today's video I will just share with you my thoughts why AI will not replace CAD designers anytime soon. Okay, so we all know the AI is coming for your job. It can write text, it can produce music, it can create videos, take photos, generate all the things you want. But what it sucks at is physical product design and development. And here I have a very simple project. This is a mudguard for skates. So I designed this custom mudguard to fit exactly this frame. So an AI can't do that really right now. Why? Because it doesn't have the measurements. It doesn't know the size of the frame. It doesn't know what materials I will use to create it. It doesn't know the flexibility of the materials or the material properties. It doesn't know any of that. It can't touch, it can't feel, it can't see the weight and size of things and all the other properties that go into physical product design and development. So we're safe. If you learn CAD, if you design things, custom brackets for whatever, your equipment, motorcycle, car, whatever. Because the AI just doesn't have the skill or tools or access to the physical world yet. Okay, it might change with time, but for now, this is one of the most future-proof skills you can learn. If you want to design headphone holders, custom, I don't know, mounts, brackets, whatever. Get in on this skill right now, and if you want to learn this skill, then join the Jungle CAD Club, and the link is in the description. See you there.